So first thing to do, check clear. Always good practice, even if it's just a BB and it won't fire. Next, receiver pins lower. All right, lower. Remove the buffer first thing because this thing flies. Ganda sana kung meron tayo ng ano eh, the table vise, but yeah, that's fine. Not everyone has a vise anyway.
Table might not be able to support.
Yep. So this is why we have an AR-15 bench block. Alright. It's a bit tight.
On a friend.
Too tight. A bit. One.
Down.
So, alright. So loosen the castle nut completely, then once it's loose, rotate. Don't forget the buffer retention pin because it's gonna snag, get in the way.
Yeah, also depending on the brand you fly.
Yeah.
The GHK one.
So press it while rotating. Now when it clears the buffer tube, you can let go. Okay. Maybe pinch. Alright.
See it?
And plate. This one.
Come on. Watch it, he doesn't need to see it.
Alright, grip this out. Don't lose the screw.
On a side note, always use the screw that comes with the gun.
Yes.
Use the one that's destroyed.
Don't use the one that's included on the grip, because usually that's off spec with the receiver. Mag catch. Press on the right side and then rotate
Counter.
counterclockwise to.
Mabangga siya sa
Oh, okay. It depends on the
tension.
brand. Can remove the bolt catch first. Mallet.
Ito. Perfect. Yeah. So always remember, that's why the punch block is important. Kasi nga, you use it to ensure you get a good hold there. So yeah. Not in a rush. So,
See.
I see that's why it's important. Right?
It's not an AEG, so
It's not an age. When you remove the E, yep, go lang yan.
it's the magnet on a GHK. Don't lose that. Alright. Then
It's the same thing.
mag catch. Push this side.
Use your thumb to leverage. Right?
No, it's clockwise too. Careful because there's a spring.
It's gonna shoot out.
It might shoot out, so
So, yeah.
yeah, there you go. Mag catch. Alright.
Put it in there, right?
Oh yeah,
Spring.
don't forget about this one.
Spring, right?
Spring. Baluktot na. Binalik to, hindi derecho. See? This is what it's for. Yeah.
You do it.
You can still use it. Just align the holes with the
Just
pins.
have to put a little bit more of a
Yep.
pressure leverage. Right?
So this one's easier.
Balance it.
Always use the proper size punch pins so that you don't break them.
And again, someone
Yeah, first that goes is the hammer pin. Alright.
good hits. Right? Force it.
There you go. Careful, this might fly out because of the spring.
That's right.
There you go.
Hammer.
It's a hammer. And on the GHKs, don't lose this part.
Because if you ask me what that's for, that thing holds the pin
In place. Next is the
Knocker.
valve knocker. This is just
Maybe it should be
held down by a spring. Let's see if we can take it out.
fixing force. Yeah.
Is it V2, V3?
Maybe even BB1.
Okay, I see. Then this thing's stuck on the trigger,
Which is
yeah, it's actually better. You won't lose it. Trigger pin,
same thing.
same thing. Punch.
It's don't
There you go. It's the valve knocker. The spring, don't
lose that.
don't lose that. This is for the disconnector. And then trigger. Alright. Put this on full auto. So you can pull it here.
Remove the trigger after. Always put the fire control selector. Fire selector to full auto, so it's easier to slide out. So
It's supposed to slide out. Why is it not sliding out? There you go.
Other way.
See,
See that?
trigger.
Good. See this one? Not a bit.
Yeah, that's the spring that's holding the. No, the valve knocker. You actually can see it now because it's almost through.
Removing things that you wouldn't ideally remove by hand, but you need the same force.
There you go. Easy.
Long nose can go.
Usually these two pins are interchangeable. Alright, next is the full auto sear. And this one is a bitch to
Bitch,
put back. Don't force.
See, move it around. Same thing. Use your both hands
There you go.
to punch it out.
Careful. There's also a spring here.
Yep, that one is also.
Don't lose it.
What's that?
Full auto sear.
Spring.
Long nose.
And again, long nose.
Only if it won't budge.
If you won't budge, you try.
Don't bend it, okay? Never bend it. There it is.
He's a little bit slower because he's not in this position.
Alright, that's done. And then, fire selector. There's a grub screw.
There's gonna be a spring and a bearing.
Okay. Don't lose this thing.
Use both, right? Even the cap. So
Grab
GBBR
screw.
was nicely designed in the sense that
Yeah, there's a spring.
yeah, it's RS kasi other yung Viper.
There's a spring and a. Oh, there you go.
So you see,
See that?
hard to do is always keep it in a container. So
It's a ball bearing. And where's the spring?
where's the ball in the?
Hindi, lumuwa dito yung ano. Sa kabila.
Oh,
There you go, there it is.
Second.
There you go. Almost done.
And then, oh, this is something people have to remember, right?
Yeah, this thing,
Even on RS,
even on RS, if you break
the ears.
the ears, goodbye. Again, this is a roll pin, so
So
usually the punch pins you have is flat. Alright, for roll pins you have this one right here. It has a round nipple, see properly. See it?
Is that the right side? Yeah, that's the right
Yeah,
side.
this is the
See
right
that?
size.
It prevents the ear from also receiving more stress. So don't shoot through the pin.
There you go. Is it moving? Yeah, it's moving.
It's not that because the ears are fragile.
There you go.
You have to remember this is already a forged receiver from GHK.
Also,
Okay.
these bench blocks are usually magnetic, so you don't lose the pins.
Normally sticks, even the springs, everything usually sticks.
Anything steel.
Grub screw at the end. Ito.
Oh yeah, this is not
That's
the.
what I was saying. Is some of them will be grub screws, some of them will be roll pins, some of them will only be one. See that? And the important part again, also with grub screws, the reason why they get stripped is people use one that's a little bit too small, right? And you don't give it enough force. That's how you shear.
Alright. Trigger guard.
So
Done. And then, wait.
You want to take the pins apart or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna explain how. There's a pin holding it in place.
This one.
The rear pin is held by a detent, a detent pin held by a spring and a grub screw over here. Once you remove the spring and the detent, this thing's gonna get off. Now on the front side, you want a very thin flat head or the pick to pull out.
Put it slightly back.
Yeah, pull it slightly back, the detent.
Some people also use a safety razor.
Yeah.
So you can slide it under that.
Then just remove this. But just careful that
It's gonna fly.
yeah, it's gonna fly. So here it is, your fully disassembled lower. All right, now we're gonna take down the upper receiver. First thing to do is remove all the accessories, your optics, your lights.
For the zip ties.
Make it there. What the hell? Alright. Now, alright, it's done. Should have done this first. Bolt carrier and charging handle. Now the rail. Loosen everything up. Alright, now flathead. Usually the GHK rails have this plastic washer. See, it's already starting to disconnect. There you go. That's your lower. And once you loosen this, you can actually use your hands to remove it. If everything is on spec. These screws are usually interchangeable, they're the same size. Now, rails out. Gas block. Also, if you're gonna work, always clean as you go, so that you less clutter on the table. Okay, the grub screw you don't have to remove, just loosen up until this thing slides out.
Make sure you tighten it really good. Just leave it normal.
Now for the hard part, where's the lower? There it is. And good thing we didn't remove the
So
receiver pins.
generally not a good idea to torque without.
Yeah, because this gives you better leverage. Now armor's wrench.
See, you align the pins, and again, as
See?
usual, righty-tighty.
See that?
The black part is
Yeah,
an ideal setup. You
okay.
can't do
barrel nut and the
See those spacers?
spacer.
Because sometimes again, airsoft isn't spec. It's gonna, if you over torque it, no matter how hard you torque it, luwag yan. So the spacers give it the perfect spacing.
Outer barrel, inner barrel, and half chamber.
So it's a maple.
Maple leaf.
Gonna. So you see it?
And then
Still in pretty good condition. You always, well, my
There you
third
go.
one there doesn't look like it.
usually this barrel extension also comes off.
That's the one from our so
Okay, this thing's really tight.
it's Bulacan
Yeah,
spec.
this thing's really tight. But
It's super cool. Anyways.
the dust cover, the way to remove this is you just pull it out from the front. This whole thing comes out and then pops out. But let's not remove that now. Wait, that's the upper.
It's not
More-
good, right?
Simple than the lower. Alright,
Back together, huh?
Okay, prodigal ano. You said you're the better brother. Show it. Show us.